You're not ugly, you're just broke. That's why today I'm taking you through my entire everything at home maintenance routine themed around beauty on a budget. Law number 6 is court attention at all costs. You must master the ability to showcase your internal value through your appearance because everything is judged by its appearance. What is unseen counts for nothing. Basically, play the visual game or get lost in the crowd and use visual aesthetics to stand out. I'll be taking you through my daily, weekly, bi-weekly, and monthly routine, ensuring I stay the top-notch, shinier version of myself. It's giving you, but better. Some things I do religiously but are just not shown in this video because I don't have the products on hand, unfortunately, are weekly self tanner on my nose, brow lamination, brow tint, and dermaplaning. My skincare journey has been wild. I always had perfect skin, I'm not even gonna lie to you, but then in 2020 it went berserk. So ever since then I've been on a journey to getting my skin back, and only in the last 2 months have I actually mastered my routine, taking me from this to this in 2 months. So the biggest thing I'll say is keep it simple. You do not need to be doing the most. This is my nighttime stack. I don't use all these products in one go. I do something called skin cycling. So one night is an exfoliation night, one night is a retinol night, and one night is a hydration night, and then you just repeat that process. For morning skincare, I keep it super simple. This is my morning stack. And then this is back to nighttime skincare. So I'm just doing a double cleanse method after I used the Vanny cream using kojic acid soap or African shea butter. I switch them out alternatively because they're both great for acne, hyperpigmentation, and acne scars. And then I seal the deal in the evening with my LED face mask. My weekly routine is probably my favorite. I get to wash my hair. I love washing my hair, but unfortunately, it's such a simple process for me because I can't use anything other than Head and Shoulders. So I use this little scrubber thing to really get in there. It stimulates hair growth, gives you a great little massage in the shower, and that's all about it for hair care for me because if I use oils, hair masks, it will just break me out. Then I just shave my arms. I only shave my arms. I wax everything else. And then I finish it off with a face mask as I'm doing my other stuff. Then I just finish everything off for the week by blowing out my hair, which is the best thing ever. I love a fresh blowout. This brush is amazing and it gives me the best blowout every single time. As you can see here. The nails and the lashes are a little bit more of a complicated thing. If I am doing shellac at home with my natural nails, I will do it once a month. If I am doing press-ons like I am doing here, I will do it every 2 weeks because things like start to pop off and whatnot. That's the process for the nails. For the lashes, if I am doing a full set of lashes bi-weekly, then every week I will go in and do a corrective lash fill. Here I'm just cleaning my nails and now I'm applying the nail glue. So I just start by mapping out the nails that I want to go on. I stick the glue on and boom, they're down. And then I will just go in and start chopping them off because they're way too long for me. And then I'll just go in and shape them with a nail file to the desired length and shape that I want them at. This nail file was so rude, it kept bending and it was awful. This is the final product though. I really liked them. I usually don't do square, but I went with it this time. Next is eyelashes. Throughout the month, I will take a week off of doing my false lashes, and I will use castor oil and UK lash serum to help rebuild my natural lashes. But I really love putting my eyelash extensions on. It's such a simple process. All you do is you just apply the glue and then you stick the eyelash like I did there underneath the lash line and you just repeat that process. For waxing, it's such a easy process. I just wax bi-weekly just so I can maintain everything. I use my Gigi wax warmer. I really suggest just getting a couple of these things every month so you can have them on hand. That way next time doing your routine isn't such an expensive thing. So I bought this I think a year or 2 years ago and I just have to refill the wax every like 6 months. I don't even think 6 months, maybe every 4 months, but it's super convenient and super easy. I don't have to go to the salon. I think that's just such a waste of time, waste of money. I just prefer doing it on my own. Monthly is where I focus on my Brazilian and maintaining that. This is my stepsister just, getting down there and ripping it off for me. And then I'll just maintain it monthly at the salon if she can't do it. And then I will do my haircut. You're probably gonna be like, why are you cutting your hair with kitchen scissors? Trust me, it's okay. Everything's fine. I've been doing it for 7 years. And just wait till the process ends because you will see my hair looking snatched. I just like to give myself more layers and just trim off the dead ends because I do get my hair colored, and I do use heat every single week. I do not use heat during the week. I use just that one blowout, and that's all I will do unless I need to do some correctiveness during the week. But other than that, I don't go in with more hot tools. So I just like to keep everything snatched with a little mini haircut at home. I don't recommend doing this if you feel unconfident in yourself. I just really don't care. I just literally go in and chop, chop, chop like Edward Scissorhands, and it just works out for me. Everyone that I know always asks me to give them a haircut because maybe I'm really good. You'll see at the end. But yeah, this is just me chopping off the split ends, and then I'll just go in. The method here is really just section your hair, pull it up, grab a little bit of length, and then just do this kind of chopping motion. I have no idea. But yeah, this is me cutting my hair. Everything used in this video will be linked in my storefront down below in my description box. Watch this video next.